I hope you enjoyed the video. I would like you to, I need to turn this off because they are not gonna like it and they're gonna do a copyright claim. I hope you liked the video. It's just me solving 8 Rubik's Cubes. This is what my channel used to be about. And I was listening to Ali Hills, so please stream her on Spotify and subscribe to her. She's in my related channels. And there's my dog. Like, I don't know. She is a great YouTuber. I love her, and you should totally just check her out because she's the best YouTuber ever. Love her. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified of more videos. Yay! See ya!